Hi guys, Matex25 here. In this video I'm gonna show you my Meowbit connected to the ultrasonic sensor. But what's an ultrasonic sensor, may I ask? Well, the ultrasonic sensor works by sending out a high frequency sound wave and calculating the time it takes for a signal to reflect back. Ultrasonic sensors has a transmitter like a speaker and a receiver like a microphone. And look how it works. The sensor is sending out a sound wave that my hand reflects back. Then the sensor is calculating the time and sending it to the Meowbit. Then the Meowbit transforms the time into centimeters and displaying it on the screen right here. Can you hear the sounds? Well, I cannot, because human ear can't hear ultrasonic sounds. But the microphone built in the camera can record those sounds. This is the sound used by ultrasonic sensors to measure distance.
Now let's take a look at the code. The code is made with makecode Microbit. Now when you go into the arcade site, then we go to a new project, and then in the new project we go to advanced and then to extensions. From extensions we go to server library. Server library allow us to access the Meowbit pins. And here is the code. We have the start block that has two sprites inside of it. We use only the sprites to show distance and time. On forever loop, the trigger signal is sent to pin 15 and time in microseconds is received on pin 14. Time is divided by 58 in order to obtain the distance in centimeters. Below, here we have the time in microseconds, obtained by multiplying back the distance with 58.
I'm using pin 14 and 15 because I have this expansion board that uses pin 14 and 15 to communicate with the ultrasonic sensor. For instance, you can use pin 0 and 1.
Here I put the sensor to test to see how accurate it is. I started with the box placed at 20 centimeters. There is a measuring tape and a ruler. The ruler shows the offset needed for measuring tape in order to match the number measured by sensor. In this case, 4 millimeters. Next test is with a bigger distance, 50 centimeters. Same cardboard box, but this time the offset for measuring tape is bigger, 1 centimeter. As you can see, the sensor is not very accurate, but it's okay for hobby purposes. Next test is with an absorbent material, sheep fur in this case. Sound waves are absorbed by the fur, and sensor has problems with measuring the distance. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe and like. If you have any ideas for future videos, make sure to drop a comment below. Bye!